And can't forget this. Hello and welcome back. We're gonna be doing an unboxing video of literally everything I've ordered, I think within the past week or two. So I've ordered a few things. There's some things I kind of already took out of the package, but I haven't like fully unwrapped it because I've just been waiting to do this. So I'm gonna show you everything I bought. Everything is kind of random. Not all these items relate to each other. So let's get right into it. Grab my scissors. I got these two items from the Beetles gel polish. They're my favorite nail polish brand for gel nails. So I figured I wanted to try more nail polish out. So I got like a pink set and I got brushes. So I'm gonna see if I can take this plastic off elegantly, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, it ain't happening. Don't we love when like we want to do unboxing videos and it takes so long to get the wrapper off? Thank you. So these are the brushes. I am not an artist by any means. Oh my god, this is what they look like. There's 6 and they have like the little Beetles logo on it. They look really pretty. I'll take a few out. Oh my god, they come packaged so well. Look at that. Each individually wrapped. They're different sizes. So for instance, this one is like a small, tiny brush at the top. There's this pointy part so you can make little nail designs. Clearly, I gotta do my nails, so let's ignore that. I'm excited to play around with these. Yay. Then this one is just, I think, a color set of 5 or 6. I was gonna get a box of 6 gel polishes in purple, but I decided pink because I feel like pink is a good neutral to have in your nail kits. So this is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like. And then we lift this little thing up. There's like a little instruction manual right here. And then these are the colors that I got. This is like what the little bottles look like. They're really cute. And okay, this is color 190. Look at that color. Pretty. This is 187. This one is gonna be more like a peachy color. I'm like shaking trying to show these things. Okay, this is color 191. It's like a sparkly pink. This is 192, like a darker sparkly pink. This is 188. Beautiful. This is 189. I should have gone in the order, but I didn't. Ooh. I'm excited to use these. So yeah, 6 new colors. Let's do the next item. So this is the 3rd nail thing that I got. It's by the brand Allstarry. It's a chrome nail powder. I'm really excited. I've never used one of these before. This is what it looks like. And it has a little kit. Look at how cute that is. There's 4 colors. So this is like a shimmery silver. This is kind of like a little violet lilac color. This is a blush / gold. I don't even know really what color that is. Can we agree that it's blush? I'm gonna say it's blush. And then this one also kind of looks like a gold. There's 4 and they're tiny and so cute. So it gives your nail like that shiny chrome color look. So I'll insert a picture to show like what it's supposed to look like. And when I try it out, I'll let you know. Maybe I'll make a little video about it or something. That should be all the nail things. Let's do some other beauty products. So this I already opened because I really needed to use what I got, but I ended up getting 5. Here's 4. I got 5 in total. I got Grande Lash Serum. Okay, why did I get 5? Because it had a great price. So if I can link the ones that I found, I will. They're from Walmart. I think the serum works very well. I've been using it for a few years now. I use it every single night before I go to bed after washing my face. And I think my eyelashes look really good. They definitely are long and all I wear is mascara, and I definitely have gotten compliments before asking like, are those your natural lashes? And I'm like, yes they are. So I recommend. This is the bottle. It has a little G on the top. Isn't that cute? And then you just open it and there's the serum. So then at night you just apply it like that over your eyelid. All right, speaking of beauty, we're continuing. I guess it's like beauty / clothing. I love how I can't talk and multitask. This is what I got. It's by the brand called Nippy, and I've been seeing this all over TikTok and all over my freaking Instagram. It's literally like an ad. Like, I don't know anyone that actually uses these, but I just keep seeing this ad. And I think it's because I kept talking about how I need like nipple pads because I bought a backless shirt and there's no way I have any bra that like scoops that low in the back. So I wanted to try this because it kept saying that like they're seamless and like they're very reusable. So here it is, and let's open it together. This is how it looks. I got a little card and a directions on how to use. I got a 15% off coupon. Yay. And this is them. I think you got a set of 2. So here they are. Oh my god, look it. This is them, and honestly they feel, whoa, really nice. They feel very smooth. There's like a plastic layer on this, but wow, the texture just feels like very smooth rubber, and they're actually pretty thin. This area, like the middle part, seems a little bit thicker, but that's so weird. They say they're reusable, so I assume that you can put them back on this plastic. Ooh, off the bat, it's already pretty sticky. So I'll try this on with the shirt so we can see if it works. And I got the shade in the color nude. I was gonna get a color like mocha, but I thought it was a little too dark for me. So I'm like, oh, the color nude is fine. Like, as long as no one can see my nipple, who cares? So that's what this is. So this is the shirt I was talking about. It's just this plain white shirt with an open back. It's from Aerie, from their offline collection. I just bought it a few weeks ago. Tag is still here and everything, but I'm keeping it, and I need to make sure that you can't see here. So let me try the nippy pads with the shirt on. I don't know if you can see the circle. Maybe in like certain lightings, I don't know. But I think it looks good. Like, you can't even see the seam. It feels so smooth, and it was so easy to apply. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on there. I feel like in some ways in the camera you can see it. I'm gonna be editing this and I'm gonna be like, I have to take this out. And now this. I had to order clothes again. I don't know, I have a shopping addiction. So I got a few things from American Eagle. I got 2 pairs of jeans. One is like a jean and the other one is shorts. I'll show you in a second. Actually, just kidding. I got 2 pairs of jeans and just 1 pair of shorts. And then I just got 3 tank tops and a cardigan. The tank tops, which are these, were all on sale, and they're all the same except for different colors. So these are skinny jeans, 2 different colors, has a little bit of distress on the bottom. I thought they looked cool. I'm trying to switch up how my jeans look, so we're gonna try these, and they feel stretchy. These are just a pair of shorts. They're the Curvy Mom short. I really hope they fit, so we'll see. And then these jeans are just regular skinny jeans, kind of like medium wash, stretchy as well, curvy. We're gonna hope and pray that those fit, because denim is always a hit or miss. This cardigan slash sweater, off the bat, it feels so freaking soft. I'm very, very happy already, even though I haven't tried it on. But it looks like this. It's like a little cropped. It's cute. And then the tank tops that I got are literally all the same. I got it in brown, in this like purpley blue striped situation thing, and then this olive green. The detailing on the side is just kind of like scrunched up, so I think it'll look kind of cool. It was on sale, so we're gonna try it on. This is the shirt. This is a size large. I think I could size down to a medium if I wanted to, but I really like how it fits. Like, it's not tight or anything. Girl, what you doing? It's not tight or anything, it feels good, and there's the detail on the side. And I don't even have a bra on that crisscrosses in the back, so you can't even see it. Here is that mixed color one, what it looks like. Yay. And this is the olive green. Ignore my tag. I should have worn different jeans with this right now to try it on, but you get the point. I think it fits nice. I'm most likely gonna keep all 3. I don't know how I'm feeling about the purple pink one, but at least like the olive green and the brown I will keep. This is so comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing a blanket, like a light blanket that hugs you. It feels so nice. I don't have anything underneath it right now, and I think it looks cute. Like, you can just wear it as a top, or you can open it and have like a t-shirt on underneath or something. This is a size, where am I tag at? This is a size medium. I think it fits good. Sleeves are a good length. So soft. Look at the material. I'm honestly really happy with this. I didn't think I was gonna like it. It was just one of those items I'm like, it's on sale, throw it in the bag. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. So yay. These are the shorts. Give you a little 360. They're in a size 8 regular, curvy. They feel great around my legs. They're not too tight. Like, see, I can stretch them out. They have a little slit. My leg feels comfortable in it. Great. I'm happy with it. Okay, I feel really uncomfortable right now, but these are the jeans. And I like when they're a little bit more higher waisted, like up to here. And they're not, so I'm gonna return them. They're just like too low. Like, I like when my jeans are like up to here. Okay, these are the curvy high-rise jeggings. And I'm keeping it. It is so nice right here. It is very stretchy. They're comfortable. I don't feel bloated in these, so I'm keeping them. They're so comfortable. I already took off the sticker here. We're keeping it. Yay! So that was my haul of everything I bought this week. I hope you enjoyed, because personally I did, and all the items minus the one pair of jeans at the end were good and we're keeping, so yay. I'll leave links to everything down below in case you want to check anything out. Let me know if you liked this type of unboxing video, just kind of random, and maybe I'll do more of these in the future because I'm always ordering things. I love online shopping, so happy to do more of these. Comment down below your most recent Amazon purchase. I would love to know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!